Morning again, everyone. This is the average car guy here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace your park light bulbs. As you can see here, this park light bulb is on. This park light bulb is on, so I'm going to replace, well, I'm going to show you how to change this one right here. They're basically both the same, but right here I have easier access to the bulb. So I'm going to turn off the park light and show you how I go about doing this. So the light is now off, so this is the park light bulb that is located, well, right where the battery is. So this right here is the headlight. This one is for the headlight. This one is for the park light, and this one is for the indicator. So I'm going to park light. So in this vehicle, all I have to do is just turn this and just ease it out, and that's how easy it is. This is the bulb. So I am just gonna rest this right here. This is the new bulb that I bought, so it wasn't really necessary, but this is just for instructional purposes for the video to show you how. So new bulb, new bulb, old bulb. This bulb is fairly easy to take out. Just hold it, just hold the socket and just ease it out right here. Put it over here. New bulb. This is the new bulb. Socket. Just gonna place this in right here. And then I am going to naturally replace it where I got it from. So this is the hole right here. Put it in. Can you see that? Put it in. Let me zoom in. Put it in. Put it in. And then turn it so it locks. So I'm going to turn on the park light again, and voila, park light bulb has been replaced. And this is the bulb that I took out. It was actually working, but for instructional purposes I bought another bulb just to show you how to do it. So until then, again, this is the average car guy, and you can subscribe to my channel, and you can also visit my website at www.superhotwheels.com. That is www.superhotwheels.com. There's a section on my website that caters for do-it-yourself home projects. auto questions and answers. That's the section on my website. So until next time again, subscribe to my channel.